Hello guys, in this video we are going to talk about how to verify your Wix website on Google Search Console. So as you can see right here, we are in the Wix Help Center and verifying your site with Google Search Console is just easy. So step 1 is get your meta tag from Google Search Console. So to get that, you will have to go to Google Search Console and press start now and then use the URL prefix to basically type and enter. So this is going to be an example. So the domain and then press continue. From there, you want to click the expand button right here, and then it will drop down this and then copy the meta tag code. From there, leave the Google Search Console open and then add your meta tag to your Wix site. So you go to your SEO dashboard and your Wix verification, tools and settings, click on the Google Search Console to expand and then enter the meta tag that we just copied right here and then click save. So to complete the site verification on Google Search Console, just go back to the Google Search Console and then click the verify button that we just made. So it's just that simple. So there you go guys, that is how you verify your Wix website on Google Search Console. It's really simple and efficient to do. So if this video is helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.